They say Wing Chun is outdated. They say MMA has replaced it. They say traditional martial arts are finished. I've trained for over 50 years. Let's talk honestly. Has MMA replaced Wing Chun or are they built for different purpose? In today's world, everything is judged by the cage. If it's not in the UFC, people think it doesn't work. But martial arts existed long before sport competition. I have trained since I was young. I represented Ip Man Wing Chun since 1978. I've taught thousands of students worldwide. I respect modern fighters, but I also understand traditional system deeply. So, what MMA is designed for what MMA is designed for competitive sports rules, weight classes, conditioning, peak performance, short performance. MMA is excellent for competition. It produces strong, explosive athletes. What Wing Chun was designed for self-defense, close-range survival, efficiency over strength, nervous system, calmness, longevity. Wing Chun was never built for trophy. It was built for survival. Why people think it's outdated? Misunderstood, slow training clips, no public competitions, poor teachers online, internet comparison culture. Outdated does not mean ineffective. It means misunderstood. Let me show you the difference. MMA training and Wing Chun training. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. So in Wing Chun, we always start from the structure. So feet together, both fists on the side of your chest. Wing Chun stance, knee relaxed. The body is strong and firm. We don't bend forward or back. Lean to the left or right. And head to the bottom is in a straight line. When we punch, we do not extend our shoulder forward because we believe that all the strength comes from the center line. So when we punch, we stay square. You see? So in MMA training, probably in boxing, they incorporate boxing. So they use, you know, the the punch and the punch is flat, not straight. So we use elbow power. They use the whole body strength. See? Right? And they move the shoulder. So they use the shoulder and the waist to get more power, more power, more power. You see, to knock the opponent down. That's one difference. The second difference is that in Wing Chun, we punch in the center line because we protect our center line. The center line is our strongest point and also our weakest point. But in MMA fighting, they have gloves. So the gloves will protect them, protect the face. You see? And they're designed to get hit, to get punishment. Our principle is self-defense in the street. So we don't want to get hit. And we want to finish the fight within second, half a second. You see? And then we can walk away. But in MMA, you have 3 rounds or 5 rounds. Each round is 5 minutes, some 3 minutes, depends on what competition you're in. So you have to train to fight in the ring. So you need stamina, conditioning, and you need to learn to get punishment. So all this is a completely different concept. So in Wing Chun, we always practice the basic, which is the structure, the Wing Chun stance, the Tansa and the Wusao to make sure that everything comes from the center line. You see? And then when you punch in the center, elbow downward, we do not float the elbow up. Make sure the elbow is a punch away from the body. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see we don't move the shoulder. Shoulder stay relaxed every time when we punch. It's always coming from the center. All the power coming in the middle of your body. So we don't use just the hands, arm, muscle. We use the whole body. That means the feet, the body, the shoulder, the arm, the wrist, and the punch. They all work together, connect together in one. And this is the Wing Chun structure. We don't separate them. we work together at the same time. So when we punch, the whole body punch together. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you throw a punch, 1, 2, 3. So we start with slow. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the target is the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, 1. Then we can speed it up once we get the technique right. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we can add in some power through breathing. Ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, 1, ha, 2, ha, 3, ha, 4, ha, 5, ha, and relax. So the difference between MMA training and Wing Chun training is two different purposes. MMA training is geared completely to the ring. While Wing Chun training is for efficiency and for self-defense. That's the difference. It's like two different thinking, two different culture. So there's no which one is better, depends what you want. You see, if you want to fight the ring, you have to follow this rule. But if you want to practice self-defense, you have to follow the Wing Chun rules. You see? So they are completely different. Wing Chun will also help people who want to learn self-defense, for longevity, for calm, you see, and for self-confidence. But MMA is also for people who want to fight in the ring, who are young, full of energy. Maybe they want to let go all their aggression out. It's also fine. So completely both different concept, different rules. I hope you understand now. Modern systems that build peak performance. Traditional system build long-term foundation. One is like a sport car. The other is like a strong bridge. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. Training MMA is not wrong. So is Wing Chun. So is training Wing Chun is not wrong. But they're different goals. MMA has not replaced Wing Chun. It serves a different purpose. The question is not which is better. The question is, what are you training for? You want ego? You want trophies? Or longevity? Train with understanding, not ego. See you in the next video. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record one round, score yourself, and I'll show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.